Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your IBDI Bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar type in idbibank.in and click on enter. Now you will be directed to official homepage of IBDI Bank. At the top right corner you can see a login button. Click on it and you will get an option where you can select your account, either it's personal account, corporate accounts or other accounts. After selecting an account, you will be directed to login page. Now type in your login ID and type the CAPTCHA taking the reference with this picture. If it is too hard for you to understand, click on this button and the CAPTCHA will be regenerated, or you can also listen the word by clicking on this speaker button. After typing in the CAPTCHA, click on Continue to Login button. Now type in your password. You can also type in your password using this virtual keyboard. Now check this box. After that, click on Login button to log into your IBDI Bank account. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instructions to reset it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.